Hello nursery, it's Mrs. Harrison Place here. I'm just wondering if you like my bracelet and maybe you would like to make a bracelet either for yourself or for someone in your family. So what you need first is tape, something like this, and you need a collection. It could be beads, it could be jewels, sequins, it could be shapes. But this morning I went for a walk for my daily exercise, and on the way I found all these lovely, beautiful things to do with nature. I collected, do you know what those are called? Buttercups. And what are these? Daisies. And I got feathers and leaves and dandelions and grasses. And all you need then is your sticky tape, sticky side up, and then you arrange your collection something like this. Just pop them on the sticky side, like so. I think I'm going to run out of space. Never mind, that means I can make another one. Another buttercup, and there we go. All I have to do now is put it on my wrist or somebody else's wrist. Easy peasy.